One of the most useful utility knots is called the sheet bend. It's commonly used to join two ropes together, usually of unequal diameter, but if tied properly can be used on equal diameter ropes as well, and can make some really cool repairs which I'll be touching on at the end. Now to tie it, fold your larger diameter rope back on itself, creating what's known as a bight. Thread your smaller diameter rope up through the back of the bight, wrap it around the underside, and then we're just going to tuck it underneath itself. When you get to this part, you're going to want to grab all the loose ends, and it tightens really easily. Just pull the two main lines in opposite directions from each other. Now if you're doing this with ropes of equal diameter, you're going to follow pretty much the same steps, up and through, around, and then underneath itself. When you pull that knot tight now, you're going to want to make sure that the two small loose ends are on the same side as each other. And to make this knot even more secure, you could push it back and actually do another wrap, and this creates the double sheet bend, which is much better when you're using similar sized ropes or you're tying a rope to a material or fabric. Now a practical utility example is if you've ever had grommets rip off a tarp, just like this. Well, the sheet bend can fix that. Just fold your fabric down into a bight as if it was the thicker sized rope. Now slide the other rope up and through, around, and then underneath itself, just like in the prior examples. What you're left with is a secure bend that won't jam up, and it's easy to undo. And you could add variations to it really simply, such as a safety knot or a double wrap as seen here, for more security. You can also tie two different materials this way, not just a rope to an object, and it's really easy to remember. Just think you're tying sheets as in the sheet bend. This is DJ with the bare essentials and your camping tips. Thank you.